Hi everybody. So tonight we're going to make some strip steak. We don't have steak very often. Usually we have filet mignon because it's a little less fatty, but these beautiful strip steaks were on sale. Each one's about 10 ounces. There's no way that we're going to eat the whole thing, but they were on sale. Grass fed, about 550 calories a steak, but like I said, we're not going to eat the whole thing. A little seasoning on them. They shouldn't need too much. I like mine medium rare. My wife likes hers rare, so I'll cook mine a little bit longer. These will probably take about 12 minutes to cook because they're fairly thick. To go along with it, I got a thing of salad already made up. So I figured since it's a pretty big steak and we'll probably eat half of it, which will be about 5-6 ounces, and a salad, that should be good. I want to get some nice grill marks on here. I know it's a little noisy, but sorry about that. So we'll just let it get some grill marks. We'll flip it. I'll probably flip them twice. Get some crisscrossing grill marks. Salad's already made. I know from my wife, she'd say this is already cooked enough for her, but there's no way that I'm going to let her eat it that rare. A little garlic. I happen to have some Longhorn grill seasoning. So not only is this not an inexpensive meal, it's also a little bit longer than 10 minutes, but what the heck, sometimes you just gotta give it a little more time, and sometimes you just need a little beef. So as usual, I'm going to have the finished steak along with my salad as the thumbnail. Should be done in about another 6-7 minutes. Don't have to worry about timing it with the vegetable because the salad's already pre-made. Lettuce basically has no calories. We'll probably use a light dressing or a 0-calorie dressing. Don't know which one. And there you have our dinner. So we're going to have a great dinner. Hopefully you guys will too.